This is Sue Gallant, our first Mazda local community legend. Sue has been volunteering with the Kinettes for over 20 years. A proud member of the Kin family, Sue has been an instrumental leader in their Christmas hamper program for 23 years. Each year from September to December, she helps organize every aspect of the Christmas hampers, which are delivered to families in our community just in time to celebrate the holidays. Centennial Mazda has been participating in this initiative for many years now too, collecting clothing and toys for the children in these families. This year, 225 families will receive hampers, which include food, clothing, and toys, all thanks to dedicated volunteers like Sue. She'd be the last one to take any credit and would shine the spotlight on her friends, her fellow Kinettes, but we know she's a true local community legend. In partnership with Mazda Canada, we were able to purchase $1,000 worth of clothing for the Christmas hampers on behalf of Sue, fulfilling a large portion of their wish list. To say Sue was surprised is an understatement. There wasn't a dry eye in the entire place. Sue's commitment to helping her community doesn't just stop once the hampers are delivered. She's constantly involved, dedicated to her volunteer work every day. From your friends at Centennial Mazda, thank you, Sue, for being a true local legend.